Buying a car in 2025 can go very wrong with one simple mistake. So today, I'm ranking the best and worst cars you can buy this year, based on reliability, safety, technology, and real owner experience, to help you avoid overpriced, unreliable, or outdated models. Let's dive into the list. Worst cars of 2025. Number 5, Mitsubishi Mirage. It's cheap, yes, but the driving experience feels outdated. The interior is basic, acceleration is weak, and safety ratings lag behind competitors. If you need a car that lasts long-term, skip this one. Number 4, Nissan Versa. Good price, but technology is outdated compared to rivals. The engine is noisy, and the resale value drops fast. Number 3, Jeep Compass. Nice design, but poor fuel efficiency and below-average reliability keep it low on the list. Number 2, Chevrolet Malibu. Discontinued after 2025, meaning parts availability and resale value will fall soon. Not the safest long-term purchase. Number 1, Dodge Journey. Old platform, outdated safety tech, poor fuel economy. It simply can't compete with modern SUVs. Best cars of 2025. Number 5, Honda Accord. A legendary sedan. Reliable, fuel-efficient, advanced safety, great resale value. The hybrid version is especially impressive. Number 4, Toyota RAV4. One of the most reliable SUVs in the world. Spacious, efficient, and holds value incredibly well. Number 3, Tesla Model 3. Major redesign in 2024 means the 2025 version is sleek, quieter, and smarter. Great range, excellent acceleration, and improved build quality. Number 2, Toyota Camry. Toyota went all hybrid in 2025. Better performance, better efficiency, new interior, and unmatched reliability. Number 1, Hyundai Ioniq 5. One of the most complete electric cars on the market. Fast charging, spacious interior, futuristic design, and extremely reliable for an EV. Many experts call it the best value electric car of 2025. And that's the full ranking of the best and worst cars you can buy in 2025. I hope this helped you make a smarter, safer choice before buying your next car. If you want more practical tech breakdowns like this, feel free to subscribe, and let me know in the comments which car you want to see reviewed next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.